Hi, this is Charlie with the Ayers Auto Tip of the Week. At one point in time, the penny measurement was used to determine if you needed to replace tires. If there was enough tire tread left to touch Lincoln's head on a penny upside down, your tires were still good. I've used the upside down penny method for over 50 years now. A penny still works, but to get a more precise reading, most automotive technicians use a tire depth gauge. Usually, a 2 32nd inch tread or less is considered unable to pass safety inspection. To prolong tread life, get tires rotated every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Tires older than 5 years are also recommended to be replaced due to the breakdown of the rubber compound.
We'd like to thank Ayers Automotive Repair for supporting your moment of trust with timely advice from BBB of the Tri-Counties. Ayers Automotive Repair is a proud member of the Better Business Bureau, providing dependable, trustworthy auto repair services in Santa Barbara since 1979.